So the question is, if Re of z minus 1 upon 2z plus iota is equal to 1, where z is equal to x plus iota y, then the point xy lies on. So here we are given four options. So to find out the right answer, we have to put the value of z into the equation. So by putting the value, we get x plus iy minus 1 upon 2x plus 2 iy plus 1, which is equals to x minus 1 plus iy. We have kept these two in a different bracket, and same goes with the other one. We have taken I common from these two. So after doing that, we have multiplied the denominator to the numerator and denominator again. So after doing that, we get this value, which by further solving we get the answer 1. So after solving it further, this whole equation, we get 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x plus y is equal to 4x square plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1. So after solving it more further, we get x square plus y square plus x plus 3 upon 2y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So the center will be minus 1 upon 2 comma minus 1 upon 4. So the radius will be root 5 upon 4, and the diameter will be root 5 upon 2. So option C will be the correct answer. Thank you.